Well, this is a kind of different video than what I'm used to posting and what you're used to seeing. But I feel it's important that I do so. Why? Because I feel like you all deserve to know what I'm up to and what I'm going to be up to in this upcoming year. 2024 has been a very interesting year for me because I've grown a lot as a person as well as in my professional life. To know the exact thing that I want to be doing in my life going forward. My entire aim to actually shoot this particular video, unedited, unscripted, is to maybe give you people some inspiration or to even give you people a heads up as to what can happen in people's lives if they choose the path that I do. I don't know if people are aware of the fact that okay, that was not the best. Well, I don't know if people are aware of the fact that I have a business of my own that I call Learners Club. It basically is an institution, it's a service that I and some like minded learners and teachers provide to all of you people to achieve your learning goals with what skills you have. And this has been a very interesting development because I have been associated with Learners Club since 2021, and in 2024 it's in 2024 its entire look has changed drastically, and I am pretty proud of that because we are at a point where we want to be. We are not fooling anyone anymore. We're not trying to be another coaching class because we really weren't one from the get go. And this development has come alongside development of myself, of my own personal and professional life. Because I have been dealing with a lot of mental issues or mental health struggles over the past couple of years that I have finally been able to come to terms with and be able to actually work on so that I can live a much better life. And I am proud to say that that has been extremely transformative for myself and how I view my life. Moreover, it has given me a new purpose. It has given me a new direction to move on with and grow even more to someone that I can aspire to be and someone that I can inspire others while being. So, 2024 has been that kind of a year for me where I can't go back to what things were anymore. So, what does this mean for you people as my audience? I want to I want to take you all on a journey in these upcoming years of learning, of teaching, of building a business, and of growing as a person. I want to show all of you in public that what I have set out to do is possible, plausible, and definitely reproducible. And that's the kind of motivation I wish to give all of you. So, in 2025, what you can expect are those kind of content pieces that give you an insight as to how I do things and hopefully inspire you people to do your own, learn your own ways, and grow because that's what the world needs right now. We need thinkers, creators, and believers. And I believe that all of you have the capability to do so. See you all in 2025 with an entirely new energy and entirely new prospects. Thank you and happy learning.